Hey y'all, let's get to cooking. This is what we're doing today. Hey y'all, I know y'all been seeing this dump cake recipe all over the internet for fall, but here are the ingredients that I'll be using for my dump cake. I'm going to add some chocolate chips and some pecans, but we'll go ahead and get to cooking. And you know this ingredient list will be in the description box. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to mix and bake my cake in a 13 by 9 inch dish. Of course, I'm going to prep my pan by spraying it with some Pam. I'm going to go in first with my pumpkin, and this is just pumpkin. It's not pumpkin pie mix, it's pure pumpkin puree. And then I'll add a can of sweetened condensed milk. And you know I'm going to get every drop out of this can, don't you? Then I'm going to crack my 3 eggs. I'm going to crack them in one of these cans I've opened because why dirty up another dish? So that I can make sure I don't have any shells in my, you know how I do. Now I'm going to put all this in the trash can. This is a real easy cake to make because it does not require a lot of cleanup too. Now I'm going to add the 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Next, I'll add the 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. I think I overdid it, but it should be 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. And I will begin to mix. Now that the mixing is done, let's go ahead and open our spice cake mix. I couldn't find any Dunkin' Hines or anybody, so I'm using Great Value today. And I'm going to just sift this on 1 layer across the top of the pumpkin mixture. At the time of this voiceover, I have already tasted this cake, and I will tell you that one thing that I would have done differently is not use that whole cake mix. I would have stopped right there where I was just now and just smoothed it all over because it was a little bit too thick for my liking. Now I'm going to take my hand and just smooth this cake mix out to the edges of the pumpkin to cover up the pumpkin. Now, while you're looking at this almost finished product, I'm going to go wash my hands and get all that cake mix off of it. Melt my butter and wipe off my pan. Now let's pour our melted butter, which is, I use a stick and a half, because you know you can't have enough butter. Now let's add our chocolate chips, and add the chocolate chips measuring with your heart. I added probably about a cup and a half of chocolate chips, maybe. It feels like it was about that much. But you put on as many as you want, or don't put them on at all. This is your dump cake. You use it and do it the way you want to. And now I'm going to add my pecans. We like pecans, pecans, however you pronounce it. We like it. Now it's ready to go into the oven, and I'm baking this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And the cake baked for 35 minutes. I'm going to let this cool for about 15 minutes, and now it's time to dig in. Now I would serve this with ice cream or whipped cream. I don't have any right now, but you can believe I'm going to get some. Hey y'all, so I got my dump cake done. Very easy, super easy, like I said before. I'm going to go ahead and taste it. You saw I just got a little piece in my bowl. The chocolate really does add something to the pumpkin. I think it partners well together. And the crunch on top, the cake mix really adds a nice crust. You know how we like a crisp around here, like apple crisp, blueberry crisp. You've seen those videos, I'll put them up in there. This is good. I'm gonna throw some ice cream on this, and we're gonna get to eating. Y'all be blessed. Bye. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And I'm celebrating 1,000 subscribers today. So thank you all so much for subscribing. Don't forget to comment, like, and share my videos. I appreciate y'all. Y'all be blessed. Bye.